Am I the only one that didn't know how to clear the cache on a Vizio TV? Let's fix that. Alright, here's the thing. There are 3 different methods you can use to clear the cache on your Vizio TV. Just use whichever one works on your model. And I'll show you how. First method, this one is the most latest one with the latest models of Vizio TV. Okay, start with first. Grab your remote and press the menu button. Now, go down to All Settings, go to System, go to Admin and Privacy, and then reset to Factory Setting and then Reset Apps. Done. Next method for those who wants to clear cache app by app. So first grab your remote and press the menu button. Now, go down to Settings. Easy, right? Next find Apps or Applications. This is where you manage all the apps on your Vizio TV. See the list of apps? Find the one that's acting up. Maybe Netflix or YouTube. And if you can't find the app section, use search bar option to find the problematic app. Click it, then select Clear Cache. Hit Yes or OK. Don't worry, it won't delete your app or info. If more than one app is slow, repeat these steps. The cleaner, the smoother. Once done, restart your TV. Turn it off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. The third method. First turn on your TV, press menu, go to System, then reset an admin and select Reboot TV. And that's it. Your Vizio TV should be running smoother now. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips.